In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background color to text in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your words pop off the page with a clean, professional text background, perfect for social posts, thumbnails, and presentations. Start by opening any Canva template or a blank design. It doesn't matter whether you're working on a social media graphic, a slide, or a poster. The process is the same. Once your canvas is open, locate the text you want to enhance. Click on the text box to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and the handles around the text. If you're editing the wording itself, you can double-click into the text. But for this effect, a single click to select the entire text box works best. With the text box selected, look at the top toolbar and click Effects. A panel will open on the side. In that panel, choose Background. If you don't see the options, double-check that your text box is still selected. In the Background section, turn on Text Background if it's off. This toggle activates the colored backdrop behind your letters, instantly improving readability, especially over photos or busy patterns. Now, choose your color. You can pick from the palette for quick options, or enter a custom hex code if you need an exact brand color. A hex code is a 6-character color value, starting with a hash symbol, like #A3FF. Pasting a known hex code ensures consistency across designs. If you're not sure which color to use, aim for good contrast, light text with a darker background, or dark text with a lighter background. This makes your message easier to read and more eye-catching at a glance. If your design uses multiple text boxes, like a title and a subtitle, apply the same process to each one to keep everything consistent. You can copy the hex code you used and paste it into the other text boxes to save time and match the color exactly. If the effect doesn't show as expected, make sure you're in the Background section under Effects and that the toggle is switched on. That's all there is to it. Open your design, select the text, go to Effects, choose Background, turn on Text Background, and pick a color or paste your hex code. Use this technique whenever you want your text to stand out cleanly and clearly in any Canva project.